Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So today I'm going to my village and we will check the mileage of Altroz. So we will do a tank to tank comparison with the MID mileage of the Altroz, and we will check how accurate is it. And also I will fully load my vehicle today, and then we will check what average it actually gives. So guys, let's start our journey. I will go to a shop first and will load the fertilizers. Then we will be going ahead for our journey. So guys, this is the rear seat of my car and I have filled it with goods and bags. You can see it's fully loaded from the rear now. So guys, this is the fertilizer that I am taking, and as you have seen, it's about 50 kg one packet. So I will take about 4 to 5 packets and it will be around 200 to 300 kgs. So guys, now the car is completely loaded, I mean fully loaded, and now we are good to start our journey. But before starting, let's straight away go to the petrol pump and fuel the car. So friends, now I have reached petrol pump and I will fully fill the car with fuel. Okay, so now so you can see that the fuel is up to the mark. It's fully filled. Let me reset the trip. So I have reset the trip. Now we are good to start our. So guys, I have reached Theog and I have covered about 20 kilometers and the mileage is 20 right now. भाई पिछला टायर तो पूरा ही दब गया है लोड से, ये देखो. So guys, now I have reached Narkanda. I have traveled about 56 kilometers and the mileage is showing around 18. So this was because the road was very the traffic condition was not good because a lot of tourists have come to this place and the whole of the road was uphill climb. And after this, now the road is going to be straight, so I am hoping that the mileage will go up. So tourists here are enjoying a little of the snow which is left in Narkanda, but it's looking So guys, now I have traveled about 96 kilometers and I am getting a mileage of around 28. Like I told you, now the roads are straight, so I will be expecting a mileage will be going up, and it's 28 right now. And the mileage is going up, now it's showing 28.1. Okay guys, so now I have traveled about 114 kilometers and the MID mileage is showing as 20.53, and I have come to the fuel station and now I'll fuel up the car and we will check the mileage. So let me show you once again. The car was fully loaded and the boot was also fully loaded with fertilizers. Okay guys, so we have traveled 113 kilometers and the fuel that was loaded is 4.16, and the mileage is tank to tank mileage is showing as 24. So guys, there is only a difference of 1 liter according to the MID and the tank to tank fuel mileage. Hope you liked the video. Please hit the subscribe.